Welcome to the exciting world of print on demand, or POD for short. It's truly transforming how we approach business today. With POD, anyone can become an entrepreneur without the need for large initial investments. Here's how it works. You create your designs, and a third-party company takes care of the production and shipping. It's an ideal solution for those just starting out, with limited budgets but big dreams. Imagine being able to sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters adorned with your unique designs. And the best part? You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping logistics. When a customer places an order, your pod partner handles everything. They print your design and ship it directly to the customer. This business model not only offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to experiment with different designs and products without any risk, but it also requires no upfront investment in stock. You only pay for what you sell. Pod allows you to focus on your strengths, creating amazing designs and building your brand. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or someone bursting with creative ideas, Pod empowers you to share your visions with the world. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model perfectly suited for the digital age. So, are you ready to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit? Let's dive deeper into how Poddy can open doors to e-commerce success.
Print on demand is surprisingly straightforward. First, unleash your creativity by using graphic design software or online tools to create your designs. You can design anything from funny slogans to stunning artwork. Next, choose a print-on-demand platform and set up your online store. Popular platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to get started. Simply upload your designs, select the products you want to sell, and set your prices. And just like that, you're open for business. When a customer orders one of your products, the magic of Pod kicks in. The order is automatically forwarded to your Pod partner who handles everything from there: printing, packaging, and shipping. You don't need to worry about any of the logistics. This streamlined process allows you to focus on what's important: growing your business and designing new products. It's e-commerce made easy, accessible to everyone.
Print on demand offers numerous advantages for entrepreneurs. First and foremost, the low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory or equipment, which significantly reduces the financial risks of starting your own business. Secondly, POD eliminates the hassle of inventory management. No more storing boxes of unsold products in your garage or basement. Your Pod partner handles all the storage and shipping, freeing up your time and resources to focus on other aspects of your business. Thirdly, POD provides unlimited creative freedom. You can experiment with different designs, products, and niches, test the market, and see what resonates with your target audience. And finally, POD allows you to scale your business quickly. As your customer base grows, your Pod partner manages the increased production and shipping demands. This scalability is a game changer, especially for entrepreneurs who dream big.
Section 4. Print-on-demand platforms. Numerous print-on-demand platforms cater to entrepreneurs worldwide. These platforms provide everything you need to launch and run your Pod business. Some popular options include Printful, Printify, and Gelato. When choosing a platform, consider factors like product quality, printing techniques, shipping costs, and customer support. Research and compare different options to find the best fit for your business needs. Once you've chosen a platform, you can connect it to your online store. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy integrate seamlessly with Pod services. This integration streamlines the entire process, from order placement to fulfillment. By leveraging the power of these platforms, you can reach a global audience and maximize your sales potential. POD platforms provide the infrastructure and support you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce.
Section 5. Conclusion. Your print-on-demand journey. Print-on-demand offers a fantastic opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that empowers anyone to sell custom-designed products online. With its simplicity, affordability, and creative freedom, POD is changing the face of e-commerce. As you embark on your Pod journey, remember to focus on creating high-quality designs that resonate with your target audience. Choose your Pod platform wisely and leverage the power of e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy. This is just the beginning of our exploration into the exciting world of print on demand. In future discussions, we'll delve deeper into specific strategies, tips, and resources to help you maximize your Pod success. We'll explore design trends, marketing techniques, and case studies of successful pod entrepreneurs. Stay tuned and get ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential with the power of print on demand.